Picture this. You roll out of bed, stretch, and head to the kitchen for your usual coffee and maybe a slice of toast. Harmless, right? But what if I told you that your morning munch could be secretly plotting against your legs, those trusty pillars that carry you through life? Cue dramatic music. Okay, I'm kidding about the music, but not about your legs. After 60, what you eat first thing can make or break your strength, balance, and confidence. Stick with me because I'm sharing 7 protein-packed breakfasts that'll keep your legs sturdy and your mornings vibrant. You won't want to miss number 4. It's a game changer. Here's the thing. After 60, our legs aren't just for walking. They're our foundation. But muscle loss, or sarcopenia, sneaks up fast. One day you're bounding up the stairs. The next, you're gripping the handrail like it's a lifeline. It's not dramatic. It's biology. The good news? Your breakfast can fight back. Today, I'll walk you through 7 high-quality protein sources to start your day, backed by science and stories from real people who've turned things around. Oh, and if you find this helpful, hit that subscribe button. It's quick, and it helps us keep sharing tips to keep you moving strong. Ready? Let's dive in. You might be thinking, milk? Really? That's for kids. But hear me out. Milk is a muscle-loving powerhouse. It's got 2 proteins, whey, which hits your muscles fast with amino acids, and casein, which feeds them slowly like a steady drip of strength. Together, they're a dream team for keeping your legs solid. A 2020 study from the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who drank protein-rich milk in the morning had better muscle retention and fewer falls over a year. Why mornings? After fasting all night, your muscles are practically begging for protein. Try this. A small glass of protein-fortified milk. Aim for 8 to 10 grams of protein per serving. If you're feeling fancy, pour it over steel-cut oats with a handful of berries. Lactose sensitive. Grab unsweetened almond milk with added protein, but check the label for no sneaky sugars. I remember my Aunt Clara, 68, swearing by her morning milk smoothie. She used to shuffle to the mailbox, but now she's outpacing her dog on walks. Small change, big win. Before we move on, here's a quick habit to supercharge any breakfast. Sip a glass of warm water with a pinch of sea salt first thing. It sounds odd, but it replenishes electrolytes like magnesium and potassium, which keep your muscles from cramping. Trust me, your calves will thank you. Mornings rushed? This one's for you. A smoothie with green banana and almond butter isn't just tasty, it's a leg-strengthening secret weapon. Green bananas have resistant starch, which acts like fiber, stabilizing blood sugar, so your muscles can soak up protein better. Almond butter adds plant-based protein and healthy fats, which help absorb vitamin D, crucial for muscle strength. A 2022 Journal of Gerontology study showed older adults eating nut-based fats with protein had better walking speed and leg strength. Blend half a green banana, a tablespoon of unsweetened almond butter, a cup of low-fat milk or almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder if you're feeling extra. Add ice and a dash of cinnamon, and you've got breakfast in 5 minutes. My neighbor Tom, 72, started this after his doctor warned him about muscle loss. 6 months later, he's back to gardening without wobbling. He calls it his leg juice. You can too. Let's warm things up with lentils. These little legumes pack 18 grams of protein per cup, plus iron and fiber. Iron's a big deal. Low levels can leave your legs heavy or weak, especially if you're over 60. A 2021 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found that older adults eating legumes 4 times a week had stronger legs and better balance. Lentils are soft, easy to chew, and versatile. Reheat a half cup with olive oil and a pinch of turmeric, or top it with a poached egg for extra protein. I'll never forget my friend Maria, 65, who started eating lentils after a fall scared her. She was terrified of losing her independence. A year later, she's hiking with her grandkids. No cane needed. Lentils aren't flashy, but they're fierce. Speaking of Maria, her story reminds me how small tweaks add up. She didn't overhaul her life, just swapped her morning toast for lentils and added a short walk. It's proof you don't need to be perfect to stay strong. If you're wondering how your breakfast stacks up, drop a 1 in the comments if you eat it daily, or a 0 if you skip it. I'm curious, who says waffles can't be healthy? Protein waffles, made with eggs, protein powder, blended oats, and unsweetened oat milk, are a muscle-building delight. They're low glycemic, so no blood sugar spikes, which is key for anyone managing diabetes. A 2021 diabetes care study found high-protein, low-glycemic breakfasts helped older adults retain muscle and control blood sugar. Top with berries for antioxidants and walnuts for omega-3s to fight inflammation. No waffle iron? Make pancakes in a skillet. My Uncle Joe, 70, loves these. He used to feel stiff every morning, but after switching to protein waffles, he's back to dancing at family parties. He says it's like dessert with a purpose. You'll feel the same. Don't sleep on boiled eggs. Each one has 6 to 7 grams of protein and leucine, an amino acid that flips the switch on muscle growth. A 2019 Journal of Nutrition study said older adults need about 2.5 grams of leucine per meal. 2 or 3 eggs get you there. Boil a batch weekly, sprinkle with paprika, or slice over whole grain toast with avocado. Worried about cholesterol? The American Heart Association says moderate egg intake is safe for most seniors. Plus, eggs have choline for brain and nerve health, keeping your balance sharp. Nothing beats a cozy bowl of oats with chia seeds. Oats stabilize blood sugar, creating a perfect protein-absorbing environment. Chia seeds add 5 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons, plus omega-3s and magnesium, to ease leg cramps. A 2022 nutrient study found seniors eating oats with anti-inflammatory seeds had less morning stiffness. Cook half a cup of rolled oats in milk, stir in chia seeds, and top with blueberries. A drizzle of honey makes it feel indulgent. My mom, 67, swears this breakfast keeps her knees from aching on chilly mornings. Bet you didn't see this coming. Steamed sweet potatoes with a pinch of mineral salt. Sweet potatoes restore muscle glycogen for steady energy, while mineral salt, like Himalayan, delivers electrolytes to prevent cramps. A 2020 Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy study found seniors eating complex carbs with electrolytes had better balance and less leg heaviness. Steam slices the night before, warm them up, and add olive oil or cinnamon. Pair with an egg for extra protein. This simple combo wakes your muscles gently but powerfully. Your breakfast is just the start. Try these habits to make it work harder, for 2 minutes to boost blood flow and reduce stiffness. Weekly, note how your legs feel, or how easily you stand. It catches muscle loss early before leaving your bedroom. Raise your legs, roll your ankles, stretch your calves. It sparks your brain-muscle connection. To avoid dizziness from blood pressure drops, these tiny rituals paired with protein are like a daily love letter to your legs. Here's the beautiful truth. Keeping your legs strong doesn't take fancy diets or hours in the gym. It starts with one smart bite each morning. Whether it's a warm bowl of oats, a quick smoothie, or a humble egg,